Place the quick release dock onto the ProClip Center Dash mount. Secure the dock onto the center dash mount with the 4 screws provided using a Phillips screwdriver. Align your GoPro camera and the 3-prong adapter plate. Take the screw provided and thread it through the hole. Lastly, take the Allen key provided and tighten the screw. After tightening the screw, the GoPro will be secure but can still be adjusted to different angles. Take the center dash mount and align it with the lip on the front edge of the dashboard. Press firmly on the center of the dash mount until the lip of the bracket clicks into place. To attach the GoPro to the center dash mount, slide the 3-prong adapter into the quick release dock. It should snap into place. To release the 3-prong adapter, press on the release tab and slide the adapter out. We've already pre-drilled ours, but to demonstrate, we're showing you how to attach it. Align the back end of the standard phone holder to the center dash mount according to where you want to place it. Hold the bracket in place and using a Phillips screwdriver, carefully drive the 4 screws into the center dash mount. Take the phone holder and align it with a bracket that is already secured to the center dash mount. Secure the screw in the center of the phone holder with a Phillips screwdriver. Don't over-tighten, you want to be able to adjust the phone holder to your liking. Slide your phone in and squeeze on both sides until the phone is snug to measure the phone width. Carefully remove the phone and use a Phillips screwdriver and tighten both screws. For this adjustable phone holder, you need to measure your phone before securing the top and bottom screws tightly. To secure the ProClip Universal Tablet Headrest Mount, first secure the back half of the bracket to the headrest, then close it by securing it with the front half. Tighten the 2 screws on the brackets with the Allen key provided. Align the quick release dock to the headrest mount. Using a Phillips screwdriver, secure it with the 4 screws provided. Loosen the wing nut on the back side of the universal tablet holder, then slide the tablet holder onto the quick release dock. And that's it, you're done! All you have to do is mount your tablet. This mount can be used for tablets that are 7 to 10 inches with or without a case.